I remember what it was like when I was a Salesforce admin and super comfortable and confident in Classic, and out of the blue came this thing called Lightning Experience. I was lost, I was overwhelmed, I was frustrated. I felt that I didn't have time to learn Lightning Experience. So you know what happened every time I was forced to use Lightning, but as an admin, I needed to go ahead and create a new object or custom field or validation rule? I switched back into Classic in order to do those things because I was more comfortable in Classic. And you know what? That was not practical nor efficient. By switching back into Classic each time I needed to go into setup, I was actually wasting a lot of time, while at the same time, I was ignoring all of these really cool new features that I was oblivious to in Lightning Experience. If you're a Salesforce admin who can relate to being in this situation, I've actually got really good news for you. I'm kicking off a class starting on Monday, July the 20th. This class is following the curriculum for people who are brand new to Salesforce and want to learn how to become admins. But I'm teaching this entire class in Lightning Experience. That means that while I will certainly be explaining concepts associated, like what is an object, what is a custom object, what are standard objects, what is a record type, when is it appropriate to use record types or not use record types, or page layouts, I will also be showing how to use all of these features in Lightning Experience, while at the same time, I will be teaching admins how to use many of the new out-of-the-box Lightning Experience features available for admins, like creating custom apps, like setting up the utility bar in an app, the footer on the bottom of the screen, and putting new features directly in the footer of the screen, like creating drag and drop Lightning components, placing them, whether it's on the home page or on record pages, and placing them wherever it is that you want, and making them dynamic, only visible to certain people at certain points in time, whether it's based on attributes of the user or attributes of the record, doing all of that kind of stuff, all in Lightning Experience. And right now, this class that I'm teaching, even though I normally charge $4,500 for this class, I'm offering a crazy discount right now. Use coupon code Trailblazer99 and you get this class for $99. That's insane. So if you are a Salesforce admin who's already comfortable with Classic and you already know a lot of the basics, it is completely worth it to you to jump in on this deal, to join our class where, okay, you will brush up on some of the features that you already know about, but you're going to learn how to use them in Lightning Experience. And at the same time, you will learn how to unlock a lot of the new out-of-the-box features available in Lightning Experience so that you as an admin can be a complete rock star at work, impress your boss, impress your colleagues, impress your users, and save yourself a lot of time and a lot of aggravation. And by the end of this class, you will not feel the need to jump back into the classic screens of setup anymore, because you will feel totally comfortable and confident doing everything that you need to do in the setup screens of Lightning Experience, while at the same time saving a bunch of clicks along the way. Because the reality is that almost all of the admin setup things that we need to do as admins are more efficient. Finding those screens, finding exactly those places, those fields, those page layouts, finding them in Lightning Experience is actually way easier than doing it in Classic. You'll learn more once you're in the class. Anyway, if you're ready, go ahead and click on the link below to join the class, because I only have a couple of spots left, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my upcoming class.